Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English. In today's video, we're going to learn 30 simple future tense sentences that you can use in daily life. These sentences are super easy and will help you sound more confident when speaking English. Let's get started. Daily routine. Let's begin with some sentences related to your daily routine. 1. I will wake up early tomorrow. 2. She will go for a morning walk. 3. They will prepare breakfast at 7 a.m. 4. I will take a shower before work. 5. He will drink coffee in the morning. 6. We will leave for school at 8 o'clock. 7. I will complete my homework after lunch. Work and studies. Next, here are some sentences related to work and studies. 8. She will attend an important meeting. 9. I will submit my assignment tomorrow. 10. He will work from home next week. 11. They will start a new project on Monday. 12. I will join an online English course. 13. We will study together for the exam. 14. She will prepare her presentation in the evening. Shopping and errands now. Let's look at some sentences for shopping and running errands. 15. I will buy groceries from the supermarket. 16. She will pick up her clothes from the dry cleaners. 17. They will visit the mall this weekend. 18. He will order dinner online. 19. We will go shopping for a birthday gift. Travel and leisure. Here are some sentences about travel and leisure activities. 20. I will book a ticket for the train. 21. She will pack her bags for the trip. 22. They will visit their grandparents next Sunday. 23rd. He will go to the beach with his friends. 24. We will watch a movie at the theater. Section 5. Social and family plans. Finally, let's learn some sentences about social and family plans. 25. I will call my best friend in the evening. 26. They will celebrate their anniversary next month. 27. She will visit her cousin's house. 28th. We will organize a family dinner next weekend. 29th. He will attend a wedding tomorrow. 30. I will spend time with my family on Sunday. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video. These 30 simple future tense sentences will help you talk about your plans and actions in English confidently. Which sentence will you use the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Simple English for more easy and practical English lessons. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.